हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप? कैसा रहा आपका न्यू ईयर ईव? आई होप you must have enjoyed and made some resolutions too for the new year to come. As we all know that the last year, that is 2020, was quite, disappointing, awful for the whole world as such. Many people lost their lives in the pandemic. And we also know that the pandemic has also helped us evolve ourselves, evolve new habits, evolve healthy habits to build our immune system to make us a better human being. So, what are your resolutions? As for the new year is concerned, kindly comment me in the comment box and write it down to me. What are your new year's resolutions? Generally, what I do is I don't make any resolutions. Why? Because I know that the making a habit or resolving something is really hard for a human being. He can't stick to his promises, his values, his beliefs, sometimes even his inner conscience. He can't abide by all those. It is very difficult for him to abide by all those. Why? Because he has less moral courage. आप भी ये मेरे से सहमत होंगे. कई बार हमारा मोरल करेज इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं होता कि हम अपने बच्चों को भी कई बार गाइड कर सकें या खुद को एक मोटिवेशन दे सकें कि हाँ, ये काम मैंने करना है और ये मैंने ऐसे करना है. Sometimes we become lazy. Sometimes we take it lightly. Sometimes we take things for granted. Sometimes we don't feel like doing anything. ये आपके साथ भी होता होगा. तो मैं अपना रेजोल्यूशन को किस रूप में लेती हूँ, ये मैं आपको नए साल पे बताना चाहती हूँ. I work according to two things in life. One is planning. One is having a GPS to guide your plan. And third one is evaluation. If we already have a plan, if we have evolved a plan to evolve ourselves, it is a very good beginning to do things. Second thing is that, if we have a plan, that means we are determined, like we have set aside certain rules for ourselves to follow, and that is a very good thing, because generally we don't get motivated to execute our plan. So what I do is, like, every motivation of a human being comes from like gaining power, money or fame, name. अगर ये सब नहीं मिलता हमको तो हम उसके ऊपर पूरे नहीं रह सकते, या बहुत मुश्किल होता है, रादर मैं कहूँगी, रहना. तो हमें अपने आप को फिर मोटिवेटेड कैसे रखना है, तो उसके दूसरा पार्ट ये है, प्लान के बाद इवॉल्व अ प्लान, फर्स्ट पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट इज हैविंग अ GPS. GPS is Guru's path. Whatever your Guru has shown to you. जैसे मैं I worship परम पूजनीय भगवान देवात्मा, who is founder of Dev Samaj, and he believes and he has lived with the values of according to nature's laws of growth. नेचर के जो नियम हैं वो एक मनुष्य के ऊपर या कोई भी चारों जगतों के ऊपर या इस कोई भी अस्तित्व जो इस यूनिवर्स में है, इस नेचर में है, उस पर लागू होते हैं. इसी प्रकार से वो मनुष्य की आत्मा या किसी की आत्मा पर भी उसी प्रकार से लागू होते हैं. तो वो नेचर के स्पिरिचुअल नियम क्या हैं, उनको जानना और उनके अकॉर्डिंग अपने आप को चलाना, तो ये है GPS. तो अगर आप गुरु से जुड़े रहेंगे तो आप बाकी सब चीज़ों से जुड़े रहेंगे. अगर आप गुरु से जुड़े नहीं रहते हैं तो आप बाकी चीज़ें से भी जुड़े नहीं रह सकते. जैसे संबंधों से जुड़ना, संबंधों में हमारे सबके रादर वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट होते हैं. अगर हम वो पूरे करते हैं तो हम संबंधों में ठीक हैं. अगर हम किसी की बात को वो पूरा नहीं करते हैं तो हम गलत बन जाते हैं. तो हमने कहाँ रखना है अपना ध्यान? GPS पर अपना ध्यान रखना है. नेक्स्ट we will discuss. So let us work according to plan and GPS. अगर हम GPS के अनुसार चलते हैं तो we can do anything and everything. Third one is to evaluate yourself. How you have to evaluate yourself? Like whether you have become a more better person. Better person in what sense? It's not in material sense. Better person in the sense whether you have developed more compassionate. You have become more compassionate. You have become more grateful. You have become more serviceful, and you have given happiness to others. By being joyful, so that is the best thing you can do for anybody, and become a better person, right? So let us become better person and make it a resolution, so that, like, suppose you have to be joyful, so live existential life, you'll be joyful. If you are with kids, live joyfully. If you are with your husband, live joyfully. If you are with your wife, live joyfully. Be compassionate, be grateful, say thank you, sorry. Often we become more grateful. If we can't say thank you, sorry to our immediate relations, we can't become grateful and civilized. So let us start with being courteous and in a civilized manner, and be compassionate, more joyful to others. That is the easiest thing, to be a better person. So better person is not the person who do so much of charity and all that, because our home is a lab of making us a better person. If we can fulfill the laws of becoming a better person, that is being more joyful, more grateful, and serviceable to others, respectful to others, and not complaining their intentions, or not guessing intentions in a wrong way just for your vested interest, so we can be a very good human being. We can better ourselves. So let us introspect again and again what activities we can do for others, how we can be more grateful to others, what things I should remember on everyday basis to be grateful to each and everything in the universe, plant world, animal world, your human world, your immediate relations. How you can feel grateful, how you can be more serviceful to others, how you can serve humanity in a better way, in the best possible manner that you can. So that is the best thing to do, and evaluate yourself. And that will, that is very easy to do. That's not that difficult, like making a list of resolutions or a bucket list, or not able to do certain things because those are not realistic, and you don't have that kind of motivation or confidence or moral courage to do things. But these small things make big difference in our life, and our home is what? A lab for making you a better person. So let's start and become better this year, and be joyful for everyone around us. So let's make this year more productive, better for yourself and for others. Have a great day and have a great year ahead. Wish you all the very best for the prosperous and healthy, happy, joyful, compassionate, loving new year, and make your relations a priority. Make your guru's teachings a priority, so that everything else will fall in line. If we haven't made our guru's teachings, our values and beliefs a priority, we can't serve anyone, any relation properly. So let's have a happy new year. Thank you.